Hello guys, how are you guys? I hope you are fine guys. Today I will discuss with you cellulose. What is cellulose? Let's start guys. Cellulose. Cellulose is a molecule consisting of hundreds and sometimes even thousands of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Cellulose is the main substance in the wall of plant cells, helping plants to remain tough and upright. Human cannot digest cellulose, but it is important in the diet as a fiber. Cellulose is the main substance in the wall of plant cells, helping plants to remain tough and upright. Humans cannot digest cellulose, but it is important in the diet as fiber. Fiber assist your digestive system, keeping food moving through the gut and pushed waste out the body. Cellulose is a polymer made of repeating glucose molecules attached end to end. A glucose molecule may be from several hundred to over 10,000 glucose units long. Cellulose is similar in form of complex carbohydrates like starch and glucose. These polysaccharides are also made from multiple subunits of glucose. What glucose means? A complex carbohydrate that is the chief part of the cell wall of plants and is commonly obtained as a white string substance from vegetable material as a wood or cotton, which is used in making varieties products as rayon and paper. The most important structure component of plant cell wall is cellulose. Cellulose is a carbohydrate found in the cell wall of plants. The carbohydrate is a polysaccharide structure. Polysaccharide is made up of a long chain of several sugar units bounded together by chemical linkage. Function of a cellulose in the body. It helps in connecting cells to form tissue and single the cells to grow and divide. Human cannot digest glucose, however, it is consumed in the diet as fiber. Fiber help the digest system to keep the food moving through the gut and moving the waste out of the body. Cellulose is a fiber found in fruits, vegetables and other plants' food as a part of plant's cell wall. It found in tree bark and a plant's leaves. When you eat plant's foods, you are consuming cellulose. The most used cellulose obtained and used are collected from cotton, flax, hemp, sisal, jute, can and bamboo. Contain source of cellulose in plants and algae. The most abundant natural material produced by organisms is cellulose synthesized biological by the joining of glucose molecules with the loss of one H2O molecules for each bond formed. This makes the chemical formula of glucose vary and range for about 15 to 6,000 or more. Hence, glucose is not a protein carbohydrate. Glucose sugar is a carbohydrate and polysaccharide chain of a polymer glucose made up of several repeating units of the monomer. Hence, we can say that glucose is a carbohydrate. Thus, it is a correct answer. Let's next glucose example. Cotton, wool, and silk are some examples. Wood is produced similarly but not being in a form suitable for use as a taxable fiber. It must be chemical modified to produce an appropriate solution which can then be extruded into a fiber. Rayon and glucose acetate are examples of this process. Glucose is a carbohydrate. Thank you so much for watch this video guys. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.